The Hershey Company is now rolling out its new plant-based oat chocolate and confection peanut butter. My question is, were they not getting the peanuts from plants for the original one? Were they not getting the peanuts, the cocoa, the sugar from plants? Because they all it should be already plant-based. So that's my question. What differentiates this one from the original? And this one costs more. I'ma just buy the real one that costs less. Hershey, please tell me. Please tell me how the fuck is something that's 350 calories plant-based? What fucking plant is that? I thought the peanuts, the sugar, and the cocoa that makes the Reese's peanut butter cup was already plant-based. My, how the mighty has fallen. Don't y'all put none of this shit in my trick-or-treat bag. I will bite this shit and spit it back at you. Plant-based Reese's peanut butter cup. Nigga, you might as well just give me celery. Show me some goddamn respect. The only person that will want a plant-based Reese's peanut butter cup are people that dress like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, making a plant-based Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. And be sure to subscribe to NWO News for more urban news updates.